You cannot get to God unless you walk in way of purity. He wants you to be holy. Seek God, fear God, and love God. What God does is what man can never do. For I am not ashamed of the gospel of Christ, for it is the power of God unto salvation to everyone that believeth. You have found grace with God. He must have done something right. He added value to his life. Ẹnìkan nígbà kan ṣe eré kan, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọmọdé tán wà ní tí wọ́n lè má mọ̀. Mo orin tán kọ ní èèyàn wọ́n ará ayé ènìyàn ṣòro kò sí èèyàn mọ́. There are no trustworthy people again. Trust is in short supply in this age. It's hard to find people that you can trust again. Husbands do not trust wives again. Wives do not trust husbands again. Oftentimes we see good business organizations, individuals with great and lofty ideas and dreams fail because there are no trust. Orin máa jó lọ, mò ń wẹ̀yìn láráyé ń kọ. Nítorí ambition tàbí ibi tí èèyàn fẹ́ dé láàrin àwọn tó jẹ́ aṣíwájú àtàwọn tó ń tẹ̀lé wọn tàbí ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè àti àwọn tí wọ́n ń jẹ́ gómìnà wọn. Ọ̀pọ̀ ti torí pé ó ń lọ sí Ẹdẹ, ó ti bẹ̀ Ẹdẹ jẹ́. Ayé ò ṣe é gbẹ́kẹ̀lé mọ́. When people seek for political office or positions, as we see often, they beg and cajole the voters and make promises. 1 naira will be equal to $1. People that are jobless will be given money. Old people will enjoy money. What I had this afternoon just made me sad that pensioners, the pensioner, gratuity yàtọ̀ sí pension, gratuity lówó tó fẹ́ gbà tó ṣe tán máa mú lọ. Pension ni ìtàn fẹ́ pé wàá máa gbà lóṣooṣù. Wọ́n ní ó gbọ́dọ̀ pé ọdún kan tó ti pension kò tó bẹ̀. Kí ló fẹ́ jẹ lọ́dún kan yẹn? Károdò kásùn kí náírà lè máa mú. But mo mọ̀ pé gbà tí wọ́n bá wá fún ìbò kò sí tí wọ́n ní sọ́tán. Ṣùgbọ́n ní òwúrọ̀ yìí, this morning we'll be talking about taking care of little things. And you will see the connection as I go on. This is because certain times when people abuse trust, it is due to carelessness. It is due to not taking care of those little things that they are supposed to take care of. Téèyàn bá mójútó nǹkan kéékèèké, àwọn nǹkan tó tóbi wọ́n á yanjú ara wọn. Ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìgbà nítorí fi máa ń dàbẹ̀ pé kò tiẹ̀ séèyàn ni pé ẹni tó ní kó mójútó nǹkan kéékèèké gan ò ní mójútó nǹkan tó tóbi á wá bàjẹ́ mọ́ lọ́wọ́. Àwa wà wàwí asán. Àwọn nǹkan kéékèèké kan wà tó yẹ pé torí pé àṣẹ wọ́n máa ń ba ohun tó dára jẹ́. Mo fẹ́ fún wa ní àpẹẹrẹ tó tiẹ̀ lè ro kan personal hygiene, ìtọ́jú ara. Ọ̀pọ̀ ènìyàn nílé wọn ti dàrú nítorí pé inú ẹ̀gbin náà ń gbé. When a man and a woman are in courtship, tẹ́ bá ń fẹ́ra yín, ó lè má mọ ọkọ yẹn dáadáa ńgbà yẹn. Mo dẹ̀ rántí when we were doing boys, mo sọ òyìnbó Nàìjíríà tá à ń ṣe boys. If a girlfriend is coming to visit you, wà wá fi brush irun ẹ̀ sí ẹ̀yìn láti alẹ́ àná. Tó bá kù díẹ̀ kó dé, wà wá tẹ́bẹ̀ díẹ̀ wá ṣe irun ẹ̀ sẹ́yìn báyìí torí kó ń bọ̀ nìyẹn. Gbogbo yẹn ò lè jẹ́ káṣírí ẹ̀gbin yẹn kó hàn. Ìyàwó náà nígbà tó ń lọ rí boy, nígbà yẹn tán bá wọ gown, wọ́n wá dé bẹ́ẹ̀ kékeré kan báyìí mọ́. Òun náà múra wá. You will not see your shortcomings because you want to prepare and appear your best. But when you get into the house, those little things you overlook can break your matrimonial homes. Ọkọ tó ti wà used to ọ tó jẹ́ pé tó bá dress báyìí, tí ìyàwó òun tó bá wọ jeans báyìí, ó máa dúró díẹ̀ ni, ó wá délé tán, ó wá di lápá tábà lájì wọ́wọ́. Mo ti wo mi ò ní ṣe wàhálà torí ọmọ mo ṣe ń ṣiṣẹ́ o. Ó wá wọlé, oró sọmọ́yà, ó lo èyí táwọn obìnrin ń lò yẹn, ó ti pọ́n, gbogbo apá ẹ̀ báyìí ti pọ́n, ó ti brown. Irun ẹ̀ last week ni wọ́n ti túlẹ̀, wọ́n wá di side kan, wọ́n fi side kejì lẹ̀. Ó wá lọ́kọ inú rẹ̀ odò láti wálé. Àwọn kan dẹ̀ wà níta, àwọn lólóòró Santari. Irun wọn, wọ́n fi òróró sí oúnjà. Aṣọ wọn gẹ́gẹ́. Ẹ̀mẹ́wàá náà ń kí ẹ̀mẹ́sàn-án mẹ́wàá. Uncle ẹ káàsán, uncle ẹ̀mọ́ mi ni. Wọ́n ti kí bẹ́ẹ̀ nígbà tí ọkọ tiẹ̀ dé. Ó bẹ ibi tí gbogbo ẹ̀ tó wà láàrin ibi tí ìtọ̀ aṣọ ọmọ lórí chair gbogbo ẹ̀rún yàn. Very dirty person. Why can you do that? If I have a wife like that, you are in trouble. Little things that you don't take care of can destroy your home. Hygiene, personal hygiene is one of those little things. Nígbà tí ọkọ àti ìyàwó ń fẹ́ra lọ́nà ní Corinthians, 1 Corinthians 13:4-7 ti ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́. Ìfẹ́ kì í bínú, ìfẹ́ kì í jà. Jẹ́ kí wọ́n wọlé tán lọ́kọ àti ìyàwó. Kí ìyàwó yẹn fall short of expectation, wàá rí i pé ìfẹ́ ń ja boxing. Mo dẹ̀ máa ń sọ fún àwọn ènìyàn pé ìgbéyàwó ní level and stages. N tó máa kò ní ogún ní year 1 to 5 kọ́ ló máa kò ní 5 to 10. Ní year 1 to 5, àwọn tí wọ́n ń fẹ́ ọkọ ẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹjọ́ dù ú tó fi rí fẹ́ wọn tí ìjáwọ́, wọ́n sì máa kí inú bí wọn pé wọ́n ló gbà á. So wọ́n wá fi ẹ̀jẹ̀ sínú àtúntò fún jáde, wọ́n á máa pè é, wọ́n ní filẹ̀. They don't want to let go. Ìyẹn ló máa face. Tó bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí bọ́kọ ẹ̀jà ní marriage year 1 to 5 torí pé kò ṣe yẹn, torí pé wọ́n ń kí wàá fọ́ marriage yẹn kó tó dìgbà yẹn. Torí àwọn yẹn máa lọ, wọ́n sì máa lọ́kọ tí wọ́n ń jọ̀kan, ọkùnrin yẹn sì máa lé wọn lọ. Ìyàwó náà tó bá yẹ pé lójú kò mú òun náà lè ní àwọn pé àwọn tó ń fún ní owó. Tó bá wò yẹn kò ní sí marriage. There are some little things you got to take care of so that you can live. You hear things like, you are so dirty, I don't know why I married you, because you didn't take care of those little things. Your husband is coming, your house is clean, everything is clean, you will be happy to be in the house. You want to take care of little things. In similar situations, many people have failed in business due to not taking care of simple things. Ohun amọ́tò, táìsì tiẹ̀, gbogbo sí tiẹ̀ ti ya, bó tiẹ̀ rówó rán, daṣọ bò ó. Ó ń ṣe iṣẹ́ mẹkáníìkì. Torí pé ó ti jẹ́ mẹkáníìkì, ó wá wọ aṣọ tó yẹ pé tí wọ́n bá ṣọ́ra tán máa rí ẹ láàrin ọjọ́ wọn rò pé wèrè ló ń kọjá. Ṣebí aṣọ tó dọ̀tí yẹn wàá lò ní ṣọ́ọ̀bù, tó bá dẹ̀ jáde, ìwọ náà wọṣọ gidi. Tó bá mú èèyàn tó gbà síṣẹ́ tó jẹ́ a wrong person ni, ó lè destroy ilé-iṣẹ́ ẹ̀. Ó dẹ̀ lè jẹ́ little thing tí o take care ló fi gbà á tó wo other things. In the book of Luke chapter 16, we know the story of a man that had a manager, and he had stories about the managers that he's been doing untoward things. And he said, I am going to sack you. Go away. And the man went out to those who is boss money. Are you owing £100? Pay 50. Are you owing 100? Pay 40. And he did it because he was a shrewd man, and even the man acknowledged him. But the first question is, if the manager or if the owner of the business are taking care of the little things, the man would not have even done what he did. The man would not have allowed £100 or whatever to be outside unaccounted for. Nígbà tó lè ṣe yẹn, kí ló dé tí ò ṣe kó tó di pé business yẹn fẹ́ bàjẹ́ kan tó lè lọ. But ibi tẹ́mi rí nínú ẹ̀kọ́ nínú ibi tí mo fi sọ̀rọ̀ nípa kékeré yẹn ni pé ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sí verse 10. Let's go to verse 10. Whoever is faithful in small matters will be faithful in large ones. If you do not know how to take care of little things, how do you take care of large ones? And it says, whoever is dishonest in small matters will be dishonest in large ones. And that is why trust comes in. Níbẹ̀rẹ̀ mo ní, trust is in short supply. And when we go to verse 11, and it says, if then you have not been faithful in handling worldly wealth, how can you be trusted with true wealth? Tó o bá lè tọ́jú ohun ti ayé, báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ tọ́jú ohun ti ọ̀run? Tó o bá lè tọ́jú ohun kékeré tó wà ní ilé ẹ, báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ tọ́jú ilé Olúwa? You have to learn to take care of little things so you can be able to manage big things. If you cannot manage, and that is why tí àwọn tó máa ń fìyàn sípò níbi tó dára wọ́n máa ń wò pé ẹni tí ò bá lè manage ilé ẹ̀ wọ́n lè fún ní ipò ọ̀gá níbi iṣẹ́. You must be able to manage your home. If you cannot manage your home, you can't manage business. In verse 13, kò sí ìránṣẹ́ kan tí ó lè sin olúwa méjì, àṣebí kí ó yóò kórè ọ̀kan yóò sì fẹ́ èkejì. You cannot be the one that want to please people by doing what is bad and also be the one that will please God. You have to choose one. The little things you can't take care of will also mean you cannot take care of the big things. As we go into this new month, I want you to make a decision this morning to begin to take care of those little things in your life so that big things will come into your life. Those little things which could mean, Ojilo wúrọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìyàwó, did you say good morning to your husband? Ojilo wúrọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọkọ, did you say good morning to your wife? Ìwọ ọmọ, ojí kò kí bàbá ẹ rí. Ìwọ bàbá náà, ó kí ọmọ ẹ̀ ńgbà tó kí ẹ. Ọmọ mi ò tẹ̀ mọ̀ pé oríkì wà. Àwọn tán dẹ̀ mọ̀ ni pé tó bá ń lo oríkì ibi tán ti bí èèyàn orí ẹ̀ máa wú for real. Ọmọ gbọ́dọ̀ kúnlẹ̀ kí bàbá ẹ láàárọ̀ kó o gbàdúrà fún. Ǹlẹ́ ọmọ owó, ọmọ ọlá, ó ṣoríire o. Ọmọ ọlọ́yẹ ará àgbẹ̀tì, ọyẹ ìpará àgbẹ̀tì ẹni abísọ́yẹ lọ́yẹ pa. Kárí ọmọ aláre, àdúrà rẹ̀ ó gbà. Nínú ẹ̀ á máa dùn pé wọ́n pè mẹ́. Ó kàn jí láàárọ̀ gan. Good morning. Ọmọ tán wà ní ìlú òyìnbó gan bá kí wọ́n láti kúnlẹ̀ kí wọ́n mọ̀ pé mo gbọ́dọ̀ kí àwọn láàárọ̀ yẹn pé bá ti bá kí wọ́n lọ sí sáìdì yà wọ́n á tún kí wọ́n lọ sí sáìdì tèmítèmí. That is it. Those are the little things that have destroyed the fabric of our family in Nigeria today. Those little things, our culture and everything, we have destroyed them. Mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ rọ̀ yín on the final note. Ẹ̀yin òbí tó yẹ pé ọmọ yín jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá tẹ́ ẹ̀ jẹ́ kán sọ Yorùbá nítorí pé dandan òyìnbó náà ní kẹsà lè mọ̀ pé ìran wọn nursery school. Ilé ìwé ibi tí ò ṣe nursery school lèmi lọ, ẹ lọ mú àwọn ọmọ yín tó lọ nursery school jáde, wọ́n lè sọ òyìnbó tí màá sọ. Greet uncle kúnlẹ̀. Ìjọ tó bá lọ lóyìnbó lọ́jọ́ ẹ̀ máa já nígbà tí ò bá gbọ́ nǹkan kan mọ́. A little bit jẹ́ kí wọ́n mọ̀ àwọn nǹkan kéékèèké yìí ló ń dẹrú, ló ń dàjọ́rú, ló ń dọ̀nàrú. Take care of the little things and the big things will take care of itself. I believe you've been greatly blessed through today's message. And I would like to invite you to join us at Christ Arrival International Church, Gethsemane Parish, every Sunday at 9 a.m. for our Glorious Day service. We are located off Ibadan-Oyo Expressway. I would like to see you around and I'll be glad to welcome you. God bless you as you come. Shalom.